Tom had been feeling particularly sluggish that evening, his body weighed down by the heavy blankets of lethargy. The thought of cooking dinner was like a mountain too high to climb, too much effort for his tired mind and body. So he did what any self-respecting couch potato would do in such a situation. He reached for his phone and scrolled through the endless possibilities of food delivery apps. As he scanned the menus, his eyes landed on a familiar logo, the cheesy, saucy goodness of a pepperoni pizza. It was like a beacon of hope, shining brightly in the darkness of his hunger. He ordered a small one, just enough to satisfy his cravings without overindulging. As he waited for his pizza to arrive, Tom couldn't help but reflect on the strange and unusual places he had gotten food delivered to before. There was that time in college when he had a midnight craving for Chinese food and had it delivered to his dorm room via bicycle. The delivery guy had pedaled up to his door, sweating profusely, and handed over a steaming hot box of lo mein and egg rolls. It was like a scene straight out of a movie. The only thing missing was the protagonist's epic monologue about the meaning of life. And then there was the time he was on a camping trip and had a pizza dropped off at his campsite by a friendly delivery driver. It was like a culinary miracle. How did they even find him out in the middle of nowhere? Tom still remembered the smell of the crispy crust and the tangy sauce, the way it transported him from the great outdoors to the comfort of his own home. As he waited for his pizza, Tom found himself lost in these memories, each one a reminder that life was full of unexpected surprises. Pizza would show up at your door at 2 a.m. without question. Sure, nicht yet. Why not? It was like a wink from the universe, a nod to the absurdity of it all. The doorbell rang, breaking Tom out of his reverie. He opened the door to find a delivery driver standing there with a hot box of food. The pizza was steaming hot, the cheese bubbly and golden. Tom couldn't help but feel a sense of contentment wash over him as he accepted the box from the driver. It may have been a lazy decision to get food delivered, but sometimes it's okay to take a break from the routine and let someone else do the work for you. As he took his first bite of pizza, Tom felt a sense of satisfaction wash over him. The flavors exploded in his mouth, the salty cheese, the tangy sauce, the crispy crust. It was like a hug from the inside out, a reminder that sometimes the simplest pleasures in life are the most profound. Tom sat there, savoring his pizza and the quiet of the evening. He felt grateful for the small joys in life, a warm meal, a comfortable couch, the freedom to choose how he spent his time. It was like a gentle reminder that life didn't have to be so serious all the time. Sometimes it's okay to embrace the unexpected and enjoy the little moments. And who knows? Maybe next time he would order something even more unusual, like a pizza with extra anchovies or a side of spicy sauce. The possibilities were endless. Tom smiled to himself, feeling grateful for the simple pleasures in life and the freedom to choose how he lived it.